It's bird time. Come on, Mimi. Oops. Are you smiling? Are you smiling? It's potty time. Sorry, I already went potty, so it's Mimi's poop time. Come on, Mimi. Come on, Mimi. You gotta be somewhere, Mimi. Come on, it's time to go poop poop. Come on. Go poop 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 poop. Oops. Try. Can you go boop boop? Try. Suri's fast. Like, I couldn't grab the camera fast enough. Like, Mimi likes to take her time. She's got to look around, look at other birds and people. Oh, what is that? It's a fly. You got a fly in here. Did you not eat enough? You already went potty earlier. Can I have a guess? Can you try? Can you try to go poop poop for mommy so we can go back on the road? Okay, let's try. Go poop poop. Just too many distractions. Baby bird. Go boop boop. Go boop boop for mommy. Bird. Alright, I'm running away. Gotta go to our next appointment. Okay, you're off the hook. Come on. Oh, she doesn't want to let go. She's holding on, holding on. Mimi, there's no smiling, you tricky little bird. Yes, I know. There's no playtime right now. Come on. She's hanging on. Okay, thank you. I love you. Say I love you, Suri. Say it. She just said I love you. Say I love you. I love my little Suri. Oh, okay.